In this video, we will learn how to install Netbeans 8.2 on Windows 10. So let's begin. To install Netbeans on Windows 10, just go and open your browser. First, we need to download the Netbeans. For that, just go to your browser and type in for Netbeans. And here you can type in for any version. For example, I'm going to download the 8.2 version and type in for download and go to your Google, and here we are. Just go and open it. And now you can select with what features you need the Netbeans. So in my case, I'm going to just use a Java SC and FX. So I will be downloading this one. You can download any of the respective version you want. If you want all of these features, just go and download this version. So just go and download the required version. I will be downloading this one. So here it would automatically start downloading. I have already downloaded it, so I would go to my download folder. So in the programs, I have this. So here we have Netbeans 8.2. So I would just go and double click on it, click on yes. Here we are. So here it is configuring the installer. It would take a bit of a time. Now go and click on next. Accept the agreement, click on next, click on next. Just go and click on install. So it would take a bit of a time. In case if you need to install Java JDK before installing the Netbeans, I have already uploaded that video. I would be pasting the link in the description, so you can just go and click on that link, and you will learn how to install Java JDK on Windows 10 and how to add path of Java on Windows 10. So you can go in the description if you want to. So this installation will take a bit of a time. I will be back when the process has completed. So the installation is completed. Just go and click on finish. And if you need to open the Netbeans, just go to your start or desktop, and here we have Netbeans. Just go and open it, and pretty much you know that it is a little bit of a heavy program, so it would take a bit of a time. So you can see the Netbeans installation has completed successfully. So hope it would help you, but before you go, please like, subscribe and share. Thank you.